Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Netflix error code NW-2-5. This specific error often indicates a network connectivity problem, preventing your device from reaching Netflix servers. The very first step is to check your internet connection, ensuring your device is properly connected and receiving a strong signal. A stable and strong connection is absolutely crucial for streaming any content without interruption. Often, a simple power cycle of your network equipment can resolve many connectivity issues. Unplug your router and modem from their power outlets completely. Wait for about 60 seconds, then plug them back in, starting with the modem first. Allow a few minutes for both devices to fully restart and re-establish their connection before testing Netflix again. Next, confirm your streaming device has a strong, stable connection to your home network. Try moving your device closer to the Wi-Fi router if you are using a wireless connection, or connect directly with an Ethernet cable if possible. You might also attempt connecting to a different Wi-Fi network or a mobile hotspot briefly to see if the issue persists on another connection. Sometimes, the problem might not be with your home network, but with Netflix's servers themselves. Before going through more complex troubleshooting, check the official Netflix Help Center or their social media pages. They often post updates if there are any widespread service disruptions or outages affecting their streaming capabilities for millions of users.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.